Welcome to Wilderness Lodge.
Wow.
Isn't it pretty?
Wow. This is the first time I've ever been in Wilderness Lodge. And yeah, it's kind of took my breath away because this is wow. And guess what? We're having a meal here tonight and it's all you can eat. Fat man at an all you can eat meal. They're losing money tonight. And this is where we are eating tonight, Wispering Canyon. And like I say, it's all you can eat, it's family style, so they fetch the food up when you order it, put it in the table, everybody shares from it, and when you're done, you order more, and more, and more. So we've ordered drinks and she just threw the straws at us. It seems to be, and I didn't realise this, where the servers are quite rude. She's lovely. She's lovely.
Rude. I mean, I can be rude. This
She's
is
lovely.
Just a normal day.
She's lovely.
Y'all realize what you want for dinner yet? Oh, it's your tiny human. It's like Chuck E. Cheese up in here now. And she waves to everybody.
We have a question on a second serving that comes back. We can choose like one thing off of whichever one that we do, right?
Yeah, I know you're not going to eat the green beans, so I ain't going to give them to you a second round.
Okay. I'm not much to ask for.
It's better to ask so I can lie to you.
Okay.
Get it out of the way, right?
Now, when you want ketchup, this happens. All the ketchup goes. And if you've got it, you've got to take it yourself. It seems the servers don't take it, you've got to take it yourself. And she's still got 7 bottles to go. Ketchup!
I am so sorry for you.
And the little girl's running all over the restaurant taking the ketchup because guess what? She had all the ketchup.
She did.
We got cornbread and that's our plates. This is weird. You know what? I forgot to film that. Cornbread, butter, barbecue sauce, nachos. Done. And it's nice so far.
You can have as much as you want.
Wow, look at that.
We need room for another one.
Wow.
There we go.
Move it over. That's a match.
There we go.
Look at that.
I have a check in my pocket. Make you run?
They won't make him go anywhere.
No, I'm gonna count to 3. You're just gonna listen to me and do what I say. On the count of 3, we need ketchup. Very loud, very proud. Everybody. 1, 2, 3.
We need ketchup!
Ketchup! Let's go! Wave your arms in the air like you just don't
Come
care.
on, people, come on!
Ketchup!
Get here. I'm taking money. Y'all can handle the rest.
Nobody's bringing us ketchup. Oh, yes, yes, over here, come on.
The ketchup has arrived. Put somebody else
Here comes the ketchup!
One for each of you. More coming. Here you go.
Yeah!
Over.
Ketchup!
Here they come.
Oh my lord.
They were slow to Yes!
There's all your ketchup, Tristan.
You wanted ketchup? There's ketchup.
And more ketchup. And more. Oh, and more.
God. Here you go. It's more ketchup than we go. Oh, to you.
Do we have enough ketchup?
I think too little. My God.
Well, I have to say, the food's nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Right, okay.
can get more for doing it.
We try not to steer you wrong.
So if you run out of a particular thing on your skillet, you can ask them to fetch more of that. So we're just getting some more brisket and sausage. And I'm starting to get full.
Way more potatoes over here.
Damn.
There's sausage right here if you want. It's
Yeah.
sure.
Starting to get full.
Corn,
I'm going to bounce
heavy cream.
to get gravity to fill in all the available spaces.
It's like dessert, but part of dinner.
Tristan, right? Oh, good. Alright, this is your birthday song. It really isn't long. It's not your birthday. Hey!
not until 5 days time.
Come back again.
So yeah, as you can see, that's the kind of service you get here. It's fun. If you're easily offended, don't come. If you want fun and the best food I've had on Disney property, get here, because that was seriously the best food I've had on Disney property ever in all the years I've come here.
Here's the other one. Right.
So yeah, that was Whispering Canyons. Sorry it was such a small video because like I was stuffing my face with all that good food. But yeah, I highly recommend it. Like I say, it is the best food it's the best food I've had on Disney property. And look at this hotel. Look at this.
Isn't it lovely?
Wow.
We're done at Wispering Canyons.
So yeah, on that note, I shall see you all tomorrow, and
Now it's time to do your job.
yes!